Hey Tubes and Donnie Boy 73. This is my Craftsman made MTD 724. It's a track drive, but as far as the dashboard and the chute are concerned on this thing, it's the same deal. Now under here I've got this rod for the gear selector, and I had to adjust this rod to get the shifter to go, to get the gears back into the right, you know, because they were off and it wasn't working right. So I got that pretty much squared away. Here's the dash control that I just fixed. Same thing. But this does have the single hand operation on it, and I'll show you what's going on. Well, first of all, so it has the single hand operation. The mechanism for this single hand operation is all the way down up into the center of this thing, and it's really hard to get at. It's really hard to see anything in there. Okay, so it's really hard to check on this to see what's going on, to tighten it up. But here's the issue with it. So I'll hold down on the traction drive. I'll put the auger down. All right, it's holding, right? But watch this. Like, here, it's hard to do with one hand, but it'll pop up on its own real easy. See how sensitive that is? When this engine's running, the vibration of it pops it right up. Like this I shouldn't be able to go like this with my finger and it's popping right out. But when I have it running, it won't hold on at all. The vibration of it just knocks it loose and comes right up. So that's my issue with it. If you know what's going on or how to fix it, or if you want to take a look and maybe make a video on it for everybody, because I have a feeling this might be an issue for this snowblower in general because of how it's designed with this thing in the center. All right, thanks for watching, and thanks for all the help that all the videos and everything you've done. You've been a big help. Later.